10 easy and powerful ways to speak English. Fluently. Fluency is a skill, not a talent. Fluent English doesn't belong to the elite, the native speakers, or the rich. It belongs to the consistent, the curious, and the courageous. Speaking English fluently is not just about understanding the language, it's about thinking in it, living in it, and trusting yourself in it. Below, I'll walk you through 10 highly practical and mentally effective techniques that work across cultures, professions, and levels. At the end, I'll also share a real-world story to show you how anyone, from anywhere, can become fluent. 1. Start thinking in English. Why it's powerful. Fluent speakers don't translate. They think directly in English. Translation slows you down, breaks your sentence flow, and creates hesitation. How to train your brain. Start small. Replace everyday thoughts like, I'm hungry or it's hot today, with their English versions in your head. Name objects. Look around and name everything in English. Chair, curtain, bottle, stove. Narrate actions. Say in your head, now I'm cooking rice. I'm adding water. The fire is low. Use flashcards with images, not translations. When you don't know a word, describe it in English instead of switching to your language. Keep an English mind diary. Write one line daily about what you thought in English. 2. Shadowing. Echo native speakers. Why it works. Shadowing improves pronunciation, rhythm, sentence structure, and fluency by mimicking real speech in real time. How to practice. Choose a 30-second clip of a native speaker. Play, pause, and repeat exactly what they say. Tone, speed, emotion. Do it 5 to 10 minutes daily. Start with slow speakers. TED Talks, VOA Learning English. Use subtitles first, then go without. Record your voice and compare it to the original. Shadowing is like training your mouth and brain to dance in sync with the English language. 3. Master patterns, not just words. Why it's effective. Vocabulary without structure. Confusion. Fluency is built through using common sentence patterns that native speakers use daily. What to learn? Would you mind if I've been meaning to, I'm not sure if, how to apply. Learn one pattern a day. Make at least 5 to 10 of your own sentences. Speak these aloud until they feel natural. Tools and tips. Use phrase books or apps like Tandem and HelloTalk to observe how natives write, speak. Highlight patterns while watching TV shows in English. Think of sentence patterns as musical chords. You can make endless songs once you know the basics. 4. Make English a daily habit. Why it matters. Language is like a muscle. It weakens if not used. Speaking for 10 minutes daily is more effective than studying for 2 hours once a week. How to do it. Use the language in life technique. Talk during chores. Now I'm washing dishes. Describe your feelings. I'm feeling a bit tired. Plan aloud. Tonight, I will call my cousin. Tools and tips. Set reminders for English time daily. Make English part of your daily media. Podcasts while walking, English recipes when cooking, etc. Use journaling apps like Penzu or voice diary tools. 5. Speak before you're ready. Why it's essential. The biggest mistake learners make is waiting for the perfect moment to speak. That moment never comes. You grow by speaking now, with mistakes, hesitation, and all. How to be brave. Join speaking clubs online. Speaky, Language Exchange, Italki. Challenge yourself. I will speak English for 2 minutes without stopping. Use your smartphone camera to talk about your day. Tools and tips. Use mistake cards. Write down your common mistakes and practice fixing them weekly. Focus on clarity, not accent. Fluency isn't about never making mistakes. It's about continuing despite them. 6. Read out loud. Every day, why it works. Reading aloud improves muscle memory, confidence, and intonation. It connects your mind with your voice. How to build this habit. Choose simple content, blogs, dialogues, storybooks. Read with feeling, not like a robot. Record yourself once a week and listen for improvement. Use apps like Audible or LibriVox to hear audiobooks and follow along. Practice paragraph echoing. Read one paragraph, then repeat from memory. When you speak what you read, you train your mouth for fluency. 7. Immerse yourself in English without leaving home. Why it's gold. The best language learners surround themselves with the target language. This immersion bubble forces the brain to adapt. How to create immersion. Change your phone, apps, and browser to English. Watch English shows with dual subtitles, then remove them. Listen to podcasts while cleaning, cooking, commuting. Watch YouTube with the Chrome extension Language Reactor for subtitles plus translations. Join English-speaking Discord or Reddit groups. You don't need to be in London or New York to live in English. You need to live through English. 8. Keep a speaking journal. Why it helps. Speaking journals let you practice real-life speaking without an audience. Zero pressure, maximum growth. How to build one. Use your phone or a recording app. Talk for 1 to 3 minutes daily about your day, feelings, or ideas. Re-listen every week to catch repeated errors or growth. Organize your topics. Family, work, childhood, hobbies, news. Don't script. Just speak naturally and freely. Speaking to yourself is practice. Listening to yourself is feedback. 9. Use natural fillers and connectors. Why it matters. Native speakers use filler phrases to think, organize, and keep the conversation going. If you don't use them, your speech sounds stiff. How to sound smooth. Learn and practice phrases like, "Let me think." To be honest, that reminds me of, you know what I mean? Listen to native podcasts and note common connectors. Use flashcards to build reflex use. Fillers aren't bad English. They're real English when used naturally. 10. Tell stories, not just facts. Why it's powerful. Humans think in stories. Stories help you organize language, stay interesting, and stretch vocabulary. How to practice storytelling. Use the PPP method. Problem, process, payoff. Share small life events. This morning I lost my keys. I searched everywhere. Then I found them in my fridge. Write one story a week and record yourself telling it. Practice storytelling with a friend or tutor. Facts inform, stories connect, and language is about connection. Real story. How Amir found his English voice. Amir was a taxi driver from Egypt. His job exposed him to tourists every day, but he barely said more than yes or okay in English. He felt invisible. Then one day he started doing one thing, recording a 2-minute story about his day in English every night. After 3 months, he could describe places, tell jokes, and explain local history in English. Tourists loved him. He didn't have textbooks. He had a voice.